Well, e te whānau, it's been a busy month for me here at the museum. I've just wrapped up our holiday Matariki workshops where we made poi, tirako and offered a new program on how to play the ukulele. Shout out to my cohort Awate who rocked it, and to our main supporters, the Waipā Creative Community Scheme Fund, and of course, the Te Whare Taonga o Tawamutu. We had great support from our Waipā community who gave us great feedback and participation. I think my biggest takeaways for this year's Matariki is how many more people are embracing Te Reo Māori and giving it a go. Kia kaha ki Te Reo Māori e te whānau. Kei te ngā kauhariko, my heart is happy. He waka eke noa. We're all in this together.
Right, tap, tap, mihi, rua mō titi, tap, tap, mihi, tap, tap, mihi, toru mō titi, one, two, tap, tap, mihi, pā mō titi, one, two, cross, mihi, rima mō titi, left, right, together, left, smile, heel, tap, tap, heel, tap, tap,